Position the template provided onto the tower rail at the desired location. Mark the position with any of the holes available. Repeat for the opposite tower rail. Align the slide with the marks and secure with 1/2-inch screws. Insert the rod through the faceplate with the flat side facing outward. Secure the rod to the slide with 1/4-inch screws. Snap the cover plate over the slide. Insert the faceplate into the end of the cover. For more products and accessories, visit johnlewishome.com. Whether looking to add accessories to your organizer, ranging from drawers and baskets to pant racks and valet rods, or creating your own custom closet with shelf lengths and components, John Lewis Home provides you the complete storage solution.